Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com for our January card kit, and this one is the Snowflake Builder. This is a super great kit, especially if you like to do thank you cards after the holiday season. This stamp set is quite special. It has snowflakes and messages, and I'm going to show you what is very special. Each of these snowflakes are either a 2 or 3 piece, and there's a little circle that goes around each of these stamps so you know which ones are the sets. So there's a large one, smaller ones, and as I move down you can see that there's even little tiny ones at the bottom, and one that has 3. Then we have some curved messages, and those go into that curved banner. And then if we turn this to the side, we have just some regular straight messages. This is a super fun stamp set that you can use with your favorite inks to create some really gorgeous cards. Another fun item that we've included in this kit are 2 of the Tim Holtz snow globes, and these are 2 pieces each, so you have a wood base and a glass dome. You can add some snowflakes in there, seal it up, and create small decorations for the house. You can also use this with the Tim Holtz mica flakes, and we've included this small jar. Mica flakes are super pretty, and they do look like snow. I'll open this up so you can see it. They have a natural shine to them that really shines when the light hits it. And you can also use this with another item we've included in the kit, and this is the Tim Holtz Patina alcohol ink. So put a little bit of your mica flakes in a paper cup and add a few drops of your alcohol ink to color the mica flakes. You can add them to your globe or also onto your cards. We've also included a small bottle of the Distress Collage Medium. You can use this to glue your snow globe together or also to attach the mica flakes to your card. The mica flakes are also perfect for a shaker card. Another really fun thing for this kit is the mini snowflake mandala wafer thin die. This is a really intricate snowflake that you can add to your cards. I was really taken by the papers. I think these colors are absolutely stunning, and especially for winter cards. So there is a blue wood grain, and on the back side it has these silver, almost digital looking trees. There are also snowflakes on a wood grain, and then a light bokeh effect pattern on the back side. This one was really pretty, and it's a darker colored foil color and really beautiful damask. Then it has a really fun image of like a silver acorn and some greens on the back side. We have another wood grain with a few little stars. Those are a foil also. And then on the back side, it has like a photograph of glitter with a little bit of that aqua or teal. And then this last piece was really pretty, I thought, has those snowflakes. And then on the back side is a fun pattern in all those coordinating colors. So those are 5 double-sided sheets of Kaiser Craft 6x6 paper. You will also get a 6x6 of the Simon Says Stamp Silver glitter cardstock. If you love the look of glitter but you don't like the mess, this is the perfect paper for that because it does not shed any of the glitter. Also in this kit you're going to get 4 envelopes, and the first one is the Simon Says Stamp white, second is metallic sea glass, then we have slate, and finally the silver metallic from Simon Says Stamp. And these all have this peel away tape so you don't have to lick them to stick them. And our last but not least is our cardstocks in Simon Says Stamp 120-pound white, sea glass, smoke, and slate. What a fun card kit for making your thank you cards and having things to play with through the winter. Up next, I have some inspiration, and this first card is from Cindy Norberg. She used that slate cardstock, and she embossed her snowflakes. She used the 2-step stamping where she embossed in silver and also a light blue, and then she added her curved messages around those snowflakes. I stamped my snowflakes right over some of that foiled paper, and then I used the die cut and also the glitter paper and a little message below. The ink colors that I used are Simon Says Stamp Winter Sky and also Spring Rain, and I thought those matched the papers really perfectly. And then finally, this next card is also from Cindy Norberg. She did an alcohol background using the alcohol ink from the kit, and then stamped a few snowflakes on the background paper and also white embossed her message right onto one of her squares and added a silver die cut snowflake. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our Snowflake Builder card kit. Be sure to check out our blog post, which I have put a link in the description box below, so you can see more inspiration from our designers. And as always, thanks so much for watching.